So I've put a mount. I had to fabricate something out of wood. It's good enough to last for a year or two, but yeah, still testing, still piloting this thing or prototyping this thing. I got a quick disconnect there. You can see a 2-pin connector right in the middle of that cable, and the cable leads into the lazarette where the battery box is. I used a supersized battery box, put all the solenoid and the wireless receiver in there. Also put in a switch, a push-pull switch for turning the power on and off of the system. So this, again, is only meant to counter prop thrust. So the idea is you could easily take this off. Now that transom mount I put on there, that's going to stay on there, I guess. Just a bit too much trouble. It's only 2 nuts, but it's a bit too much trouble to take on and off regularly. But the motor itself can come off easily. Now, I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm going to see what kind of wiggle there is in this thing. And you can see there that I've got the stern slack, so you can see it's actually pushing. Now, it doesn't have as much power in this direction, but it's still doing a pretty good job. And unlike a thruster, I could just keep this going for hours. So that's the weak side. And then and I did see a little wiggle there, so that's something to think about. And now the positive side, the stronger side, sorry. And you can see it's pushing it really quick. I can feel the whole boathouse starting to move. So I think that's just under 50 pounds of pressure. And yeah, that's going to do more than just counter the prop walk. At least I think in the reverse direction. For the motor, it's going to have enough pressure to counter the prop walk alone. And then the extra push for the forward direction could actually be used like a thruster. That's pretty strong. That's moving the boat pretty quick. So, again, bringing it back. This is a low power situation. And I'm using a remote control for, this remote control is wireless. It goes 35 meters. So plenty of space for a 50-foot boat. And then again, forward. So I can see it's torquing a little bit on that transom mount. But I think that's pretty doable. I think that's going to be good for now. So it's real world testing next.